okwanjula buli kikonge ekiri wano era nga njagala okutwala omukisa guno okubanjulira ababaka ba palamenti abali wano abaliko n'abaddako nsaba mwongereko ku bantu ababaka ba palamenti abali wano ate my sister Nakai nawe oddako naye abaliwazo Chiamani Nyazi Meya Nubiondi Nasi Baweteo
Wadampunyi
Wadampunyi Sebo batewe kwese kakomu kuba memba wa parliament yabasoko kule meza Webale kunja kala musajja bwe bannange Wantu alomukisa kuno
Walukaga abaddewo naye agenze empapula ziri mu kiro 125 baadhi ya balonza ziri mu 10
nenga kijja kuggwa njagala okutwala omukisa guno okuliko bunayizimu omusajja ono muto mu myaka naye mukulu mu mutima omusajja ono ye yantuma mikiwaini omusajja ono ye yampedde okuba senior Filipa Kawuma omwana olusoma omusajja ono ne bwe nali sinaba kufuna makangange yantwala n'ensolo ewuwe omusajja ono yafuuka kitange ne taata we yali avudde mu bulamu bw'ensi eno yasigala nga kitange omusajja ono oluyimba olwandeeta mu music industry nalukolera mu studio ye ku bwereere nsaba mbanjulire yasooka kubeera baaba n'afuuka taata wange n'afuuka ghetto president kati muyita my president nsaba ajja ababuuzeeko tumale twolekere eddongo mu maaso
Congratulations, my brother. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much for supporting Mickey, for supporting the Ghana music, and for turning up today. Banage Jemuri, Aba Western Uganda Murio, Aba Nyankore Murio, Tigre Wakande mikono yanyu. Mwebale munonga kumushabika Mickey waini. Nomanya na barobire winji omuriyankore uruganda rwanjye narwebwa yona rwana narwebwa nakambori yankore winji munonga tifeshika rugandiji kokamwe bari munonga ilizoba kwisha. Thank you very much. Abanoza Uganda muliyo apoyo mateka apoyo that magic bakwe microphone ndanda magic bakwe microphone nindo gamba uruchori kandi uruhindure uruto mu Ruganda apoyo mateka apoyo totwara
mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala
apoyo olubiro
mwebale nnyo okujja
apoyo olubiro mi isho mene kiwani
mwebale nnyo okujja mu show ya Mikiwani
apoyo memara
mwebale nnyo okuwangana
Amaro Tutwara. Thank you very much. Wanangu tubangala ni Baganda wapi yandeba na nyo kabali to Uganda. Ate it can be better than this. We are going to make it better than this. We never start Abakabi. I want to salute all the stars that we have. Stars like King Saha, stars like Matthias Warukaga, stars like That's Vibes. I'm so proud of you, my brother, and all our young brothers. Thank you, mwebali butakushwaza. Ze sobola kuperforminga ka sobola kola show. Nena ndi movie mwana. The baddest in this industry. You see me? But still, when they stopped Bobby Wine, many other artists showed up. When they banned Bobby Wine, King Saha rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, That's Vibes rose. When they banned Bobby Wine, Mickey Wine rose. Nga Yesu yatugamba nti bwe munaasirisa abantu abo amayinja gajja kwogerera waggulu kati amayinja googera. We're going to make this industry better, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, Tulimu season ya Kulonda, right? Look at me, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine having a president that looks like me. Just imagine that. Just imagine. For a minute, pause. For a minute, pause. Look at the man in our state house. And look at me. Look at the ideas. Look at the generation. None of you has ever seen another president in your life. That is supposed to make you shy. People are going to president in Mulana. Tulimba artists who are on the on the live streams, all that is supposed to be your revenue. But we have no copyright law. You understand? So we are going to change that. Be sure, have no doubt. I'm going to be president. If not tomorrow, the other day. If not the other day, I'm going to change this country. Omulangira wasajja nsanyuse nnyo okulabako mukwano gwange bene mutuuseko okwagala kwaffe bana emwe balemu kwagala industry ya Uganda. Nkagamba muno nga n'amaraka ganje gasiisikala tinkubaasa kwesogora. Sisobola na kuyimba kati naye mwebale nnyo n'abaana b'ekisoro abagisoro muliyo. Murakoze cyane gutwakira turabashaka cyane. Thank you very much. We love you. To all our leaders, Chairman Inyas is there, Mayor Nubian is there, and one of the most disciplined leaders that we have, and our incoming Mayor, Ronald Nsubuga Balimezo. We respect you, we love you. To all of our brothers and sisters, the Lord of our sister Bange, abalungi abaluwano abalungi sister wafepepenyekitiibwa bamuyita Namagende twamutuma n'abaana baffe. We love you, we respect you, to all our children. To Uganda, thank you very much. Sigenda bayingiramu olwaleero. Let me leave it to the young ones. Ne Mukama abakuume. Tugiramu. Yo. You know where I feel good?
That's it.